My name is Leroy Long. Everybody know me as Piney. I don't like to tell people my name. I prefer they said Piney, because that is what everybody goes by, Piney. Doing this business for over 30 years, and we are at Duke Street and Sutton Street corner, trying to make a good living and selling people what is healthy. At first I used to sell biscuits and sweets, but then I realized that the children need fruits. So I stick to fruits. I'm from St. Elizabeth, and my starting was very, very rough. I remember that I started a hand cart, and I buy a hand cart for $70. So I can tell you that is a very long time ago. And I remember telling my mother that I'm going to come to the road to sell. Yeah. And she even said to me that I don't have any ambition. And I said to her, I'm decided to do it. And I was working at Star Supermarket down Orange Street, getting $120 per week. And I remember buying the cart, and then the first week when I go on the road, it wasn't profitable. It wasn't looking any sense. And I go back to the boss and ask him if he could give me back the work. And he said to me, since it's me leave the work, he cannot give me back the work. So then I decided with a concrete in my heart that I must succeed. It's a struggling, but you know, I can tell young people it's not where you start, it's where you want to go. And if you have an aim, you have to work on it. And many people today saying that they cannot make it with the little much that they have, but they can. All they have to do is put God in it and continue to work honest, and He will supply the rest. Family means a lot to me. Family is my strength of source. I have one wife. My wife is at St. Elizabeth, and I'm all the way in Kingston. And through this same challenge, I have a son now going to university in Canada, and this is what supports him. Young people, try something. Don't don't get up and say, nothing can go on for me. Try a thing, and it will work. All you have to do is work honest in whatsoever you do.